shrimp bisque. I love it, but every recipe I've seen is really complicated. I decided I'm going to see if I can make a really simple version that's just delicious. I bought fish stock, and I've added the shrimp shells to it to give it even more flavor. I'm going to strain the fish stock. I need 3 3/4 cups. So if I have a little less, I'm just going to add some water. Yeah, just a little water. Okay, so first thing I've done here is sauteed 2 cups of leeks and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Just make sure the leeks are really, really clean before you cook them. Okay, I'm going to add some garlic, about a tablespoon of garlic. Just saute it for about a minute. I actually love shrimp bisque. I like that rich shrimp flavor and a little bit of sherry. So the next thing I need is a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just a pinch, not too much. You don't want it to overpower the shrimp. And just cook that together. Okay. And then a pound of shrimp. This is where the shells came from. And just cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes until they're just perfectly pink and just tender. When the shrimp's cooked, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients and have a really rich, delicious shrimp bisque. Well, I can't make good shrimp bisque without sherry, but I've actually decided a little cognac would help it too. So I'm going to start with 1/4 cup of cognac. Just going to pour it right into the shrimp and leeks. Let it cook for a minute. That smells good. And 1/4 cup of dry sherry. And all that's just going to really get into the shrimp and flavor the soup. Now that smells like shrimp bisque. Shrimp and sherry. So classic. Okay, I'm going to puree this now. I'm going to just put it right into the food processor. And now I'm just going to puree it until it's really chunky. I don't like it when it's too smooth. Okay, that's perfect. So now I'm going to make a white sauce that's going to be the base of the soup. This white sauce is really the same kind of white sauce I made for the lasagna. I'm starting with 1/2 stick of butter, then 1/4 cup of flour. I'm going to cook it over medium-low heat for about a minute, just to cook the flour. Then I'm adding 2 cups of half and half. I'm just going to stir this until the half and half gets hot and it thickens with the flour. So far, it's been pretty easy. Okay, the next thing I'm going to put in is the pureed shrimp and leeks. Really smells good. You can smell the cognac and the sherry. That's going to have so much flavor. The fish stock, 3 3/4 cups. 1/3 cup of tomato paste. 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And that's it. I'm just going to stir it up and just let this simmer. All the flavors are going to go together. It's going to be rich and delicious, I hope.